Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So guys, what is this? This is my Casio Retro Classic Calculator Data Bank watch. So guys, for your reference, the model number of this watch is dbc32-1a. And guys, I got it on Amazon and I paid about 12 Omani Riyals for it, which is equivalent to about 30 American dollars. So guys, the buy link for this watch I will leave in the description section. So let us take it out. Okay, so guys, here it is. So let me open it. Okay, so what's in the box? So you have this watch. Okay, so we'll keep it here, and it comes with a very bulky user manual, okay, and a warranty card. So we'll keep them here. So let us take out the watch. Okay, so guys, this is Casio Retro Classic Calculator watch with data bank. So guys, now this watch, it comes with the LED backlight. Here it is. I think you can see it. Okay. Yeah, and this watch, it sports about 13 international language. Okay, and the battery life of this watch is about 10 years. Okay, and guys, in this you can store 25 data entries. Okay, so which is not very big, but when they launched this watch at that time, it was decent enough. Okay, and it also has a 8-digit calculator and a currency converter. Okay, and guys, this watch, it has 5 alarm settings. So here it is. So this is my retro classic calculator watch with data bank. So let me remove this so that you can have a better look on it. So here it is. This is the backlight, and still we need to set the time to the local time, and here are the keypads for the calculator. Okay, so guys, before we end this video, I will wear it on my wrist so that you guys can have some idea. So guys, I removed all the tags and here it is. So I will wear it. So I'm already wearing my Casio G-Shock, big fan of Casios. So let us wear it on my wrist and you can have an idea. So how it looks on the wrist. So here we go. So guys, this is how it looks on the wrist. Old classic, and I am feeling very good after wearing it. So guys, that's pretty much for today. So soon I'll be doing a detailed review of this watch. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more watch reviews, EDC videos and all kind of stuff. So all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.